Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make hard tack candy. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 of a cup of water. You'll also need a few drops of your favorite flavoring oil. Don't forget a reliable candy thermometer and a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Prepare a baking sheet by lightly greasing it or lining it with a silicone mat. Now, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water in your saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium-high heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Continue to cook the syrup without stirring until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for the candy's texture. As soon as your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This is the moment to carefully stir in your flavoring oil and any food coloring you wish to use. Work quickly but cautiously, as the mixture is extremely hot. Then, pour the hot candy mixture evenly onto your prepared baking sheet. Try to spread it into a thin, consistent layer for easier breaking later. Let your candy cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until it is completely hard and brittle. Once fully cooled, you can easily break the candy into small, irregular pieces using a mallet or by simply snapping it with your hands. Store your delicious hard tack candy in an airtight container at room temperature to keep it fresh and prevent it from becoming sticky. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.